The depth of a father's love shows in his daughter's eyes. What's known is what's shown from sunset to sunrise. A foundation built on more than just what is spoken. It's commitments kept and promises that go unbroken. An emotion so immense that nothing in this world can erase. The permanent impression of love is tattooed upon her face. A relation so peculiar that only the two can understand. Yet, so immaculate it's obvious that by God it was planned.
To me, Dad, you're everything you cannot begin to say you've loved, cared, and looked out for. You've made me who I am today. You've always been understanding and showered me with concern. You're my knight in shining armor. You're my dad and best friend. At times I thought that you were far too hard on me. But now, Dad, I understand where you had to be to become the man you knew I could without your guidance. I never would. With love and patience you gave me insight. You taught me respect wrong and right. Looking back to the start where it all had begun, Dad, I'm so proud when you call me your son. You mean so very much to me, and I want you to know that you are always in my heart, no matter where I go. You're always giving, always to help in any way. The loving things you've done for me, I never could repay. I can't imagine what I'd do without the love you give. I'll treasure your sweet heart of gold as long as I shall live.
You are my hero, Dad. You're my secure foundation. When I think of you, I'm filled with love and fond appreciation. You make me feel protected. I'm sheltered by your care. You're always my true friend. And Dad, when I need you, you're always there. You have a place of honor deep within my heart. You've been my superhero, Dad, right from the very start.